Okay, here we go. Let's talk about some of the quality of our Amish built sheds here. Metal siding. Metal and wood here, same price. So whether you want a metal sided building or a wood sided building, it's all the same price. Metal siding is of course the most maintenance free siding available. Sheds with metal siding include 24-inch on center spacing in the 2x4 wall sets, and also feature our vapor barrier. That's under the siding and under the roofing on all the metal buildings we have. The roof system is built using trusses spaced 48 inches on center with 2x4 purlins and the vapor barrier house wrap underneath the metal panels as well.